Yes, students, in the last lecture we have discussed about transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Okay, so last thing that I want to add in it, conductors and insulators. Okay, so conductors and insulators. So what are conductors? Conductors are the substances that allow electricity to pass through them. Allow electricity to pass through them. Clear? इसमें क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो सकती है इन सब चांसेस में, तो उनको हम कंडक्टर्स बोलते हैं. Clear? And the another point is these also allow heat to pass. Clear? So the examples of such conductors is iron, and copper is also example of conductor. Clear? On the other hand, what are insulators? Insulators are the substances that do not allow electricity to pass through them. Clear? इंसुलेटर्स में ना ही जो है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होगी, ओके, और ना ही इसमें हीट पास होगी. Clear? So these substances also do not allow heat to pass. Do not allow heat to pass. Here, what are the examples of insulators? These are plastic, wood. These are the examples of insulator. Clear? It is clear to you that the conductors क्या है, जिनमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास हो सकती है, हीट जो है पास अलाउ करते हैं वो, ठीक है, आयरन एंड कॉपर. And insulators that do not allow. Clear? For example, the pan that you use at home for cooking, it is made up of either iron. Clear? And it allow heat to pass. और आपकी जो कुकिंग की जो प्रेपरेशन है वेजिटेबल वो हो सकती है, बट आपने देखा होगा जो उसका हैंडल है, द हैंडल ऑफ द पैन इज मेड फ्रॉम प्लास्टिक और वुड, सो दैट आपको वो ज्यादा हीट ना लगे, ठीक है, so that you can easily handle that pan. Clear? And now next coming to the exercise part, name 5 objects which can be made from wood. So please raise your hand. Ma'am, those are जो raise hand करें उनमें से किसी को भी unmute कर दीजिए. 5 objects that can be made from wood. Vasna ma'am, please unmute Manjot.
Pencil, table, chair.
Yes, any other examples?
Spatula, which is used in
okay, for the cooking purposes that we use. So there are so many examples. You can write the example of table, pencil, desk, hammer. The जो handles होते हैं hammer के वो भी wood के ही बने होते हैं, ठीक है. Windows. These are all the examples of the objects that are made from wood. Now question number 2. Select those objects from the following which shine. So you have to tell me which out of glass bowl, plastic toy, steel spoon, cotton shirt, which have shiny appearance. Yes, Anshika. You can tell me. Yes, Ghazal. Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is steel spoon and glass bowl.
Very good. So the answer is steel spoon and glass bowl. So you will write the answer on book only. Clear? बुक पे ही राइट कर लेना है 1 2 3 and 4. ये सभी जो क्वेश्चन आंसर इस चैप्टर के चैप्टर नंबर 4 यू विल कंप्लीट इट ऑन योर बुक. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप इसमें से नोटबुक पे नहीं लिखोगे. क्लियर? यू विल ओनली कंप्लीट एक्स्ट्रा नोट्स दैट आई विल सेंड यू टुडे. क्लियर? कोई भी एनसीईआरटी के 1 to 7 क्वेश्चंस आपने नोटबुक पे नहीं करने हैं. Only the extra note that I will send you, only those you will write on your notebook. Now next, matching. So there are objects are also given and the materials. So can you tell me book is made from? Yes, Rohani. Ma'am, please unmute Rohani.
Paper.
Yes, very good. So the answer of book is paper. Match the book with the paper. Clear? And tumbler. Tumbler. Yes, Harshpreet Chawla. Harshpreet Chawla.
Ma'am, tumbler is made up of glass.
Tumbler is made up of glass, so the answer is glass. And now next, a chair. Sophia, chair.
Ma'am, wood.
Yes, good. And now next, Tanishka, toy. Toy. Ma'am, please unmute Tanishka Sachdeva.
Ma'am, plastic.
Yes, so toys made from material plastic. And shoes. Prisha Duggal. Shoes.
Ma'am, shoes are made of. Ma'am, shoes are made of leather.
Very good. Leather. So you will match the answers, okay? And now next, question number 4. State whether the statements given below are true or false. So the first is, Rudra, you will answer me. Stone is transparent while glass is opaque. Rudra Sharma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, false. And next, second, a notebook has luster while eraser does not. Yes, Jasam Dingra. अच्छा, सेकंड का आंसर क्या है? So the next answer, a notebook has luster while eraser does not. It is false.
Ma'am, true.
It is false. नोटबुक का कोई लस्टर नहीं है, वो शाइन नहीं करती है. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन इज Chalk dissolves in water. Sukhsagar Rai. Chalk dissolves in water.
Ma'am, false.
False. So the third one is also false. Next, fourth. A piece of wood floats on water. Prathamveer.
True.
Very good. True. बच्चे कोई भी अनम्यूट ऐसे नहीं करेगा अपने आप को, ठीक है? Yes, next. Fifth one is sugar does not dissolve in water. Abhi Mishra. Sugar does not dissolve in water.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, good Abhi. It is false. Now next, coming to the sixth. Vasvi. Oil mixes with water. Oil mix करना है water के साथ.
False.
Yes, sixth is false. Now next, seventh. Sand settles down in water. Ruhani. Soil settles down in water. It is true or false? Sargun?
True.
Yes. Eighth, Sargun, please read it. And you will answer, bache. So the eighth is vinegar dissolves in water. It is true or false?
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Yes, it is true. Now next, coming to the question number 5. Given below are the name of some objects and materials: water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and earthen pitcher. So, you know what is earthen pitcher? मिट्टी के घड़े को बोलते हैं, मिट्टी का घड़ा. So group them as round, shaped and other shape. राउंड शेप इनमें से किसकी है और कोई अदर शेप है तो वो भी लिखना है, ठीक है? सो हाउ विल यू राइट इट? फर्स्टली यू विल टेल मी व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्ट्स दैट आर राउंड इन शेप. यस गिरीक.
Ma'am,
गिरीक, you will answer बच्चे. Which of the objects are round in shape?
मैम आपने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है?
राउंड इन शेप, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राउंड इन शेप इनमें से वाटर, बास्केटबॉल, ऑरेंज, शुगर, ग्लोब, एप्पल एंड अर्थन पिक्चर. इसमें से
globe.
राउंड शेप किसकी है?
ma'am, globe.
Ma'am, basketball,
Ma'am,
orange.
basketball. Ma'am,
गिरीक.
basketball. Ma'am, basketball. No. Ma'am, basketball.
Ma'am, orange.
Ma'am, basketball.
Yes. Round shape. Basketball.
Basketball.
Next.
Globe
Yes.
and orange.
So in the round shape you can write basketball, globe,
And orange.
other, orange, apple is also round in shape.
Ma'am,
Excuse
apple.
Apple and Atham picture.
Earthen picture.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I answer the B part because ma'am unmuted me?
Okay, B part. So you will tell me the other shapes. In the same part, you will tell me the other shapes.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Other shapes.
Ma'am,
Other
after
picture is round
picture.
in shape. It is in this way. It is round. इसके अलावा जो शेप्स हैं, it is of water and sugar. Sugar is not round in shape and water जिसमें आप डालोगे उस तरह की शेप हो जाती है water की. Water is a liquid, so it will come into the other shapes, water and sugar. So in this way you will write the answer on your book. It is A part, answer number 5. Clear? And the now next, eatables and non-eatables. The objects that you can eat and the other is non-eatable. So in the B part, firstly, Navalpreet, you will tell me the eatables. Yes, Naval. Ma'am, please unmute Navalpreet Kaur.
Ma'am, question number 5.
Yes, B part, eatables. Yes,
Orange,
orange.
orange, sugar,
Yes,
apple.
apple. Yes, very good. Now in the next is water is also there. It is you will write water in the eatable part. Clear? And now the next non-eatable. Ronak Singh. Tell me what's non-eatables.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, basketball,
Yes, basketball.
globe,
Yes, very good.
and earthen pitcher.
Yes. Now next coming to the sixth one. Answer number 6. List all items known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on an oil or kerosene. So you will tell me firstly the things, the items that float on water. One by one, Yashika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bache.
Ma'am, plastic, wood,
Yes.
thermocol, wax.
Yes. So you can write so many items. I am prepared. Sargunpreet, you want to add something into this? The objects that float on water. Yes, Hitesh. You're not audible.
Ma'am, leaf.
Yeah, leaf, yes. So the examples are, there are so many examples: plastic bottle, piece of wood, thermocol, sponge, wood, plastic, plastic ball, and cork. Okay?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, pencils.
Ma'am, it can be ice cube.
Yes, ice cube also
Ma'am,
floats on
wood.
water.
Ma'am, rubber band.
Yes, rubber band, very good. So the answer number 6 is here. You can write the answer on the book. Clear? The answer is plastic bottle, wood, piece of thermocol, and plastic ball also. Bamboo also floats on water. And piece of paper. Please note it down on your book. So these are the items that float on water. Here, now the next question is that check and see if they float on an oil or kerosene. So none of these items float on oil or kerosene. Clear? However, इसमें से कोई भी उसके ऊपर float नहीं करता है. However, none of these float on water. Sorry, float on oil और kerosene. Kerosene मिट्टी के तेल को बोलते हैं. Clear? And then now next, I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes so that you can write it on your book. The last one is, so you have to pick chair, bed, table, baby, cupboard. Yes, Manyata, pick the odd one out.
Baby.
Yeah, now next, the answer is baby. 7th B part, rose, jasmine, boat, marigold, lotus.
Boat.
Yes, boat, because other
Boat.
are stars. Now next C part, aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand.
Sand.
Very good, sand. Now next D part, sugar, salt, sand, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate एक chemical substance. Sand.
Sand.
Dissolve in water. Sugar भी dissolve होता है, salt भी हो जाता है, copper sulfate भी हो जाता है, but sand जो है dissolve नहीं होता है. Clear? So this exercise NCERT exercise is complete. Now we will come to the assignment. Assignment number 1 that I sent you yesterday. So the first question is in the assignment was why is water called a universal solvent? Please raise your hand. Why is water called a universal solvent? Yes, Tanishka.
Water is a universal solvent because it can dissolve with any of things like any liquid, any or gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide.
So yes, very good, Tanishka. So that the water it has a property so that it mixes, it dissolves with a large number of materials. Okay, therefore it is called a universal solvent. Now next, what are the similarities between iron, copper and aluminium? What are the similarities? आपने सभी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा आयरन किस तरह है, कॉपर किस तरह का है और एल्यूमिनियम. So what are the similarities in them? Yes, Avni.
Actually, I have a doubt that is aluminium conductor. Ma'am, is aluminium a conductor?
Aluminium is, yes, it is a conductor.
So, ma'am, first one, they are a good conductor of electricity. They all are metals. Number 3, they have a very hard surface. Number
Yes.
4, they contain moisture. Number 5, they are scrap and are used to make utensils, etc.
So as you can write all the metals. These are metals. Okay, they have luster and these are also hard. Here, you can add more points. So it also name the 2 gases that are soluble and that are insoluble in water. Gases. Yes, Hitesh, Ratan. Gases that get mixed with water that are so I have already told you, Hitesh, your voice is not audible to me. So the answer is oxygen and carbon dioxide are soluble and hydrogen and nitrogen are insoluble. Clear? Now question number 4. Why is tumbler not made with a piece of cloth? Yes, Vinayak. जो tumbler है हम cloth का क्यों नहीं बनाते हैं?
Tumbler is not made with a piece of cloth because cloth piece is not hard enough to hold liquid.
Because yes, very good. If we add water into it, what will happen? It will come out from that cloth tumbler. So therefore, we don't use cloth tumbler. Here, and a tumbler is used to keep the liquid. And if we use cloth tumbler, the water will come out from it. So it should be made from that material that can hold water. Now next is state a condition when pure water can lose its transparency.
Ma'am, pure water can lose its transparency when we add something to it, like some color or some type of insoluble liquid or substance.
Okay, yes. And another can be that water on cooling, it also freezes to make ice that is also opaque in nature. So students, you will complete your extra notes on your notebook that I will send you, okay?